Hello, everyone. Welcome to another YouTube video, where today we speak about is Dogecoin safe to invest in, and where did it come from? Make sure to stay tuned and watch all the way to the end, and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Is Dogecoin safe to invest in? Dogecoin is an awful long-haul speculation because of a basic explanation: swelling. Every year, around 5 billion Dogecoins are made out of nowhere and brought into its current 130.5 billion stockpile with no maximum cutoff. This essentially overlooks the whole allure of digital forms of money, which draw in financial backers who are tired of the brought-together and inflationary nature of fiat monetary standards. There are additionally no distinctive provisions to the image money. All things considered, the coin appears to be expected for a dead feline ricochet temporarily. One can express gratitude toward Tesla's CEO Elon Musk for that. Musk's help for Dogecoin has made it gain acknowledgement among merchants. Thus, there are currently more than 1,461 outlets worldwide that acknowledge it, up from only 52 years prior. The higher the quantity of clients exchanging the coin, the more noteworthy the worth of the organization, which can balance inflationary tensions for the time being. However, Dogecoin right now has a market cap of $26.8 billion, so except if shippers start quickly embracing the coin as a type of installment en masse, the coin's central worth will not be going up in the long haul. So by the day's end, Dogecoin is simply one more low-utility, high-supply coin financial backers ought to stay away from. It's not always about low price. Digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the greatest players in the crypto space, but on the other hand, they're costly. Back in mid-April, when Bitcoin arrived at its pinnacle, it cost around $65,000 per token. Ethereum cost simply more than $4,000 per token at its top in mid-May. Dogecoin's record high, nonetheless, was simply 68 cents. With a value that low, it's quite possibly the most reasonable investment out there. Furthermore, in case you're wavering with regards to contributing, it very well may be enticing to purchase Dogecoin just on the grounds that it's modest. That can be an amazingly unsafe move, however, on the grounds that reasonable ventures aren't in every case wise speculations. In the event that you purchase Dogecoin on the grounds that it's less expensive than its rivals, you could in any case wind up losing cash. While all digital forms of money are hazardous, Dogecoin is quite possibly the most risky investment. Before you even think about getting, ponder how this venture might work out over the long haul. With any venture, the main factor to consider is whether it's probably going to encounter long-haul development. Long-haul ventures are bound to bob back after slumps and hold an upper hand in their industry. Digital currencies, by and large, are still exceptionally speculative. At the end of the day, no one knows without a doubt whether they'll in any case be around in a couple of years or many years. Dogecoin, in any case, is particularly unsafe on the grounds that it doesn't have as much utility as its rivals. Altogether, for any digital money to become standard, it should have some kind of true use. Bitcoin is the most famous kind of digital money, and it's the sort vendors are generally ready to acknowledge. That gives it a critical benefit in light of the fact that far-reaching reception will be vital to any digital money's prosperity. Ethereum likewise has certifiable utility through its blockchain innovation. The Ethereum blockchain isn't just host to its local token Ether, but at the same time it's the organization utilized by non-fungible tokens, NFTs, decentralized money, and huge number of different applications. The Ethereum innovation can possibly alter an assortment of ventures, and on the off chance that it succeeds, its digital currency Ether has a decent shot at flourishing also. Dogecoin, then again, has almost no utility at this moment. The couple of vendors that do acknowledge crypto are bound to acknowledge Bitcoin than Dogecoin, and Dogecoin doesn't enjoy any significant upper hands over its rivals. Where did Dogecoin came from? Dogecoin appeared in the year 2013 as an approach to ease up the uneasy, all-math digital currency market. Indeed, even the name Dogecoin came as a spoof dependent on the Shiba Inu canine, a well-known internet image at that point. Right when Jackson Palmer, an Adobe delegate, started it out with his accessory Billy Markus, the couple never understood that the high-level cash would show up at such heights. All on the grounds that the coin's significance was gone over the top with a piece by an exuberant local area of lovers on internet-based gatherings. The common idea was the consideration of a for no particular reason money in the crypto market that can excite extremely basic exchanges. For example, internet tipping or conceivably gifts. The money was not drawn nearer in a genuine manner until around 2018, when it quickly reached a market cap of $2 billion during the crypto flood. The numbers, in any case, couldn't make Dogecoin as well known as Musk did. A few and occasional tweets by the Tesla CEO hailing Dogecoin as the best ever digital currency sent everybody identified with the crypto market in a free-for-all. On the off chance that you'd prefer to sell your Dogecoin, the cycle is extremely direct. You'll go to your property on your crypto trade or financier stage and enter the sum you'd prefer to sell. Then, at that point, your request will be handled. On the off chance that you have created a gain putting resources into Dogecoin, you will probably need to make good on capital increases charge. Inability to pay charges on your crypto gains can bring about significant issues, including costly punishments. In case you don't know how to report your Dogecoin benefits, counsel an expense proficient. While Dogecoin scandalously began as a joke, financial backers view it much more in a serious way now. In any case, it's as yet an extremely hazardous venture. That is the reason specialists prescribe contributing close to 3% to 10% of your portfolio in digital forms of money. The amount you at last choose to put resources into Dogecoin ought to be directed by your danger resilience and your present monetary circumstance. For instance, in case you're behind on your retirement investment funds and don't have a rainy day account, you ought to put less cash in Dogecoin. In case you're monetarily steady, are on track to meet your retirement objectives, and have a huge monetary pad in the bank, you might put a greater amount of your portfolio in Dogecoin. Uncertain if purchasing Dogecoin is appropriate for you, track down a monetary organizer close to you to talk about your objectives and venture alternatives. Hope you liked the video. What's your opinion on this? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to this channel for more updates.